making it in life. With little efforts, they put into little job and they are making it in life. And you are suffering. You put your hard work, all your efforts into working hard, and yet you are not making it in life. Stay tuned. This is Modern 11. I'm going to be telling you what you have been doing and why you are not making it in life, and what you need to do so that you can be able to make it in life. So stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Welcome back to Modern 11. So these are the 4 reasons why you are not making it in life. Number 1 is you like to save. You like to save. People do not make it because they all what they get after their hard work, all the little money they get after their hard work, they put it into their savings account. And savings is a situation. Saving is the process by which you put your money into an account, into a service, into an organization, and what you expect is that they should put your money down. They should put your money and preserve it from you. They should keep it away from you. That is what savings means. You are putting your money away from your hands. All you need is to put your money away from your hands so that you don't spend it because it's with you. Yes, savings is also good. That is the only good part of what savings is. But the reason why you are not also making it in life is because all your money you save, and savings does not bring what? Profit. Savings does not bring interest. Savings does not bring anything. Even if you go to withdraw, they still charge you from your money, which is decreasing your original amount. So that is one reason why you are not making it in life. So desist from savings and put your face forward. Watch till the end. I will be telling you what you need to do so that you can make it. If you do not save, what will you do? Yes, keep watching. I will tell you in the video before the video ends. So let's go. Our second point is that we do hand to mouth. Yes, hand to mouth here means what? Whatever we gain after work, whatever we are paid after work, we spend it from our hands to our mouth. We spend it from our hands to our mouth, meaning that we spend it unnecessarily. We spend it every time that whatever we gain, we just spend it and it finishes. That is why our future is not growing, because everything we have, we spend it. We don't leave something to preserve our future. So if you are in this situation, watch yourself, because you are decreasing your humility. You are decreasing your destiny. So I'm telling you today, desist from hand to mouth. So our third is what? We are always hesitating. We hesitate in the manner that we want to gain. We want to take whatever we sweat for. We want to take whatever we just worked for immediately. But I tell you, if you hesitate to take your money after work, every day after work, you take your daily payment, you take your hour payment every day, then you'll be addicted to what we call hand to mouth. Because immediately you receive it, you need to spend it to recover the strength you lost. That is why we get what we call hand to mouth addiction. So stop hesitating to take your salaries. Stop hesitating to take your payment after a service you've taken place to make it happen. Yes. So I'm telling you today that these are 3 things that you need to desist from. So let's go to our 4th one. Our 4th one we say is very funny. Yes, it is. I'm telling you today that our 4th point is that you are so generous. We talk about generosity. So here I'm going to tell you that generosity is not a bad attitude. Being generous is never bad, because even God said we should be generous. We should love one another as we love ourselves. So here I'm telling you that the generosity here I am putting it is that you do not love everyone as you love yourself. but you love people more than you love yourself. So whatever God said, do whatever that will please others according to your ability, because you cannot make somebody happy and be annoying. So I'm telling you today that your generosity is scaling your future. I'm not saying you should not be generous. You should be generous, but you should cut some things. You should ignore some things. You should put away some things. You should put away some help that you render, because whatever that comes to your hand, because of your generosity, it vanishes and you do not know the gain that it brings unto you. So I tell you, these are 4 things that are keeping you, that are hindering you from making it in life. 1, we have what we call silliness. 2, hand to mouth. 3, patience. And 4, generosity. So keep on watching. Here I'm going to tell you what the four points that people consider in their lives, people consider in their daily activities, and they are making it in life. So here are the 4 things that people consider every day and they are making it in life. 1, we call investment. Instead of you saving, you rather invest. Yes. If you save, you get nothing. If you invest, you get profit, and your money keeps multiplying. If you leave it there for 1,000 years, let me just say, if I save 100 cedis, if I save 100 cedis for 10 years, I go to withdraw 98 cedis, because the 2 cedis will be used for what? Preservation fee. And in the second hand, we look at investment. If I invest 100 cedis for 10 years and I go, let me just say my investment interest is 10%. So let's say the 10% is what? 10 cedis, like that. So every year I get 10 cedis into my 100 cedis account. So the next year I get 10 cedis plus the interest of the first 10 cedis I gain. So see how the money is multiplying. So by next 10 years you go, your money will be somewhere around 200 Ghana cedis and more. So your money will multiply. Your money will be giving birth to so many other interests, and you will make it in life because your money keeps doubling. So we go into our second point, which is what? Sacrifice. So instead of hand to mouth, we sacrifice. We leave our mouth dry and we sacrifice to put some money down so that tomorrow we can preserve our future. We can grow our future. We can make our future shine. So 2 is what we call sacrifice. And 3, instead of hesitating to take your money, you rather keep yourself calm. You practice what we call patience. So patience is the attitude people actually take into their heads. People actually take into their hearts and making it in life. So do not hesitate to take your salary. Be patient for your salary last month, so that you can accumulate it and use it to do something nice, something great, something that will build your future. Jesus Christ, and you will grow it. So what we call 4.4 is what we call greed. Yes, it's not actually greed that I mean, but what I mean is that you should cut some things. Yes, cut some things. There are some things you need to desist from. There are some things you need to abandon so that you can make it in life. If you practice greed, unnecessary generosity will not spoil, will not take your money back from your hand without you knowing where it went. So I'm going to tell you, these are the 4 things you need to do so that you can make it in life. Number 1, invest. Number 2, sacrifice. Number 3, patience. And number 4, greed. So I have you practice this and you'll make it in life. I promise you, you'll make it in life in Jesus' mighty name.